Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this microwave golden Oreo cake, which is just a simple vanilla cake, but it is so easy to make. These are the ingredients you'll need for the cake. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. So first you're going to grease and line a microwave safe bowl with some plastic wrap and set that aside. Then you're going to take your golden Oreos in a blender and blend them on medium for about 20 to 30 seconds. And there you can see they are powdered. To this you're going to add in your milk, the sugar, and the baking powder. And then put on the lid. And then blend again for more 20 to 30 seconds. And you're going to have your batter. Then pour it in your bowl. And microwave on high power for 5 minutes or till a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Just like that. Then you're going to let the cake cool completely. Now while the cake cools, you can make your white chocolate ganache, and this is optional. So first you're going to keep your fresh cream on low flame just till bubbles appear at the side, and you're going to stir it. And once it's hot enough, you can switch off the flame and add in your chopped white chocolate. Then using a spoon, dip it in the fresh cream and let it sit for 5 minutes. And then you can stir it till it is smooth. Then you can flip your cake onto a plate once it's cool. And then pour your ganache onto the cake. And spread it as evenly as possible. And then your cake is ready to slice and serve. You can see how delicious it looks, and this cake is more dense than a normal vanilla cake, but it is so good. And it's perfect to make if you don't have time to bake a cake, and you'll have a fancy dessert in no time. I hope you give this a try and give this video a thumbs up if you like the recipe. Check out my channel for more videos of mine and subscribe if you want to stay updated with all my new recipes. I'll see you soon with a new video. Bye!